welcome to Cassie is a Nerd, formerly known as DC Toys. That being said, this video is definitely for over 13-year-olds because this game that we're about to play, Suicide Squad, has violence and pew-pew and like flip and like So, definitely 13 plus. Okay, so we're playing Suicide Squad today because it's been a minute. It's an oldie but a goodie. And we have to prepare ourselves. Birds of Prey is about to come out. The best Harley Quinn that's ever existed. My girl, Margot Robbie, is at it once again. But in a whole different type of way. So, in preparation for Birds of Prey, which is going to be amazing. Thumbs up if you're excited for Birds of Prey. We're gonna play Suicide Squad Special Ops. Oh, okay. We're getting out the bat. Okay, we got this. I forgot about this game. Okay, so you gotta aim at it and then you'll automatically hit. I was trying to shoot. I forgot. Okay. Ah! Ha! Wave completed. Dude, okay. I had a minute. I had a second where I didn't know what I was doing, but I'm back and I'm ready. Switch? Yes, Deadshot, I think I will be you now. What are these creatures? Wave 2 start. Where are they coming from? Ah! Yeah, okay. I'm in my groove now. I got you. Wait, come back. Oh, you guys are my friends. Oh, wait, no, you're not my friends? Oh, there you go. Those guys are my friends. Dude, there's too many people. I didn't know if you were my friend or not. I forgot. It's been a while. Oh, yes. Grabbing ammo. Prepare yourselves. Harley. Diablo. Get up. Whoa, they're coming from above. Directional. Whoa, yes. Gotcha! Tell your mother we got a problem. I don't have time to talk to you right now. I'm saving the world or Gotham City. One creepy alien dude at a time. Wait, do I get that? Oh. I sure do enjoy hanging out with you guys. Thanks, Harls. Kills 10. Dude, that's pretty good. Let's go El Diablo this time. May he rest in peace, sweet little heart. Okay, let's do this, guys. Supply drop. Ooh, I hear them. Ah! Ooh, I like fire hands. They're fun. Yes! Fire hands. Where are you guys? Ah! Am I by myself in this? I thought we were friends. Oh, there you are, Harley. Let's go do this, dudes. Fire hands. Yes. Don't mind me. They call me old fire hands Mickey. Where are you? There you are. Oh. Hey, everyone has a gun but me. Very confusing. Oh. Okay. So much violence happening around me. I'm just gonna run. I want to have a sit. No, I can't sit right now? Okay. Fine. I won't sit. Leave me alone so I can sit. Oh, help. Yes, I need help. Holy cow. Hey! Seriously, Dad, if this mission is about intel. Spoiler alert, it certainly is not. 19? Dude! Okay, I'm gonna go back to Harley Quinn because now I think I get it. Okay. It's been a while. See, oldie but a goodie. Supply drop. Gotta go. Who are you? You a baddie? Oh, you're not a baddie, you're my friend. Oh, my bad. Oh, supply drop this way. Come on, guys. Let's go. Yes! Special ability. Increase damage? Yes, I'm doing so good. Okay, let's do this. Wait, wave 4 starting. What is this? Ammo. Where is everyone? Come on, guys. Yes, yes. Yes. Dude, yeah, I got this. Yeah. Sorry. Anyone want to play baseball? Batter up. Yeah. Oh. He had an axe. That was crazy. Whoa. Danger. You, come here. Oh. Should probably switch. Uh-oh. Yes. Where do we want to go, guys? Hey! I didn't see you there. I wasn't prepared for you to come in here. This is my special place. Ah! Dude! Big guy on campus over here. Ah! Hold on. That guy was real big. Whew, that was fun. Oh my goodness, that was intense. Wave completed. Dude, I think this is my best score ever. Yes. I'm going back with fire hands over here. The subway is unlocked. No, I've been down the subway before, but I think that's where I died. Okay, we got this, guys. Wait, where's the subway? Oh. Head to the subway. Well, this way. I'm here, guys. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Strong! Holy cow! Big strong muscle guy brought all his friends with him! Oh, I need help. Okay. Oh, muscles! Holy cow! No, thank you! Thank you. Jeez. Ah! Dude's got a hammer! Or not, or something. Ah! No, thank you! Put it down! Whew! Thank you, Harley. You saved me. What was that? Who gave that to him? This was not a good idea. I've not been told that this is what we were doing. Oh, here, I want this one. Wait, or this one. Yeah! Wait, no? Collect your supply drop. Where's the supply drop? Oh no, down there? I don't want to go down there. Are you guys coming? Why aren't you guys coming with me? I feel like they're gonna hurt me if I go down here. Collecting supply drop. Okay, special ability. Dude, I'm getting nervous now. There's no intel here. Rick, do you copy? Rick, where are you? Rick? Oh my goodness, Oh my goodness, Rick! Do you copy, Rick? Rick, you're in trouble! Rick, we're not gonna be friends anymore after this! I was just starting to like you, Rick! Okay, I got you. Okay, I'm gonna collect some health in here. Okay, what is this? Okay, collect that health. Where are you? Oh, there you are! You sneaky little devil! Stop it right now! I'm gonna tell your alien weird Who's over there? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're fighting my friend? What's up, D? Ah! I got some guys on my tail. Got some guys on my tail. Got some guys right there in front of me. No, don't. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Whoa! Who's that guy? Yes, okay, okay. Okay. We got it! Look, as a friendship team! Oh, wait, there's more. There's more in there? Why are you glitching? Oh, man. Oh, I can switch? Oh, okay, I'm Diablo now. Ah! Fire! 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 I don't think I've ever been this far. No! They just keep getting more powerful. Oh, no, thank you. Put the axe down. Let's talk about this. Wait, did I complete a wave? No. I feel like someone's running after me. Ah! Ah! Big fire guy! Big guy! Big guy! No, big punchy! Big punchy hammer! Big punchy hammer dude! We got it! Oh my gosh, is this wave over yet? Holy cow! I don't know where it's coming from. Warning! Ah! Don't punch me in a train! You cannot punch me in a train! Yes! Wave completed! I've never gotten this far before! 26? Well, holy moly! We're the coolest! Squad! Squad on 3! 1, 2, 3, squad! The streets are unlocked now! I've never unlocked the streets before! What a day! What a day! Fighting some crime with some crime people? Okay, where are we going? Up the streets. Okay, let's go. I'm scared! Head to the streets, I'm heading! Oh geez, I just don't want one of those hammer guys coming out. Oh geez, oh geez, oh geez. Hammer guys! See, that's what I'm saying! Hammer guys! Hammer guys! All of these guys are hammer guys! Since when are there that many hammers? Where did you guys get these? Did you raid a baseball stadium? We don't play baseball here in Gotham, so I don't think you must have come with these. Oh, I hear a loudy. A loud running fella. Oh, yeah. No, thank you. Oh, excuse me, no, thank you. Oh, sorry, I used my manners, and that was like, oh, jeez. Okay, it's just down to Harley. She did get her own movie. I would say she won. If there were one to win, I would say it's my girl. Okay, okay. Where are you guys? Yes. Oh, I just don't like the big guys. The big guys with the big tanks of things. What? Oh, hit it! Oh, it destroyed himself. Ah, I'm stuck in a box. I'm stuck in a thing. Yes! Oh my gosh, me by myself! Harley Quinn! The one and only! Oh my gosh, I've never done this good before! Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Wave 7? No problem. Collect your supplies. Where's the supplies? Supplies. Okay. Replenish armor. Oh my gosh, now the alleys? I know that you should never go down an alley in Gotham City. That's what happened to Batman's parents. Wait, wave 8 starting. Where's the alley? Where's the alley I'm supposed to go down? Where's the alley, guys? Alley? Alley, where are you, alley? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm looking for Allie. Are you Allie? No, that's not Allie. Allie? Oh, Allie. Oh, wait. This is not. I shouldn't be here. Oh. That's not Allie. That's not Allie. Where's Allie? Allie? Allie! We found you. Can I just run from it? Do I have to battle anyone? Can I just keep running? Wow! Oh, dude, big guy! Hit people with stop signs? No, thank you! Two can play at that game. Yes! I beat the stop sign bad guy. Ah, no, not that one. Did he blow himself up? Oh, I don't know. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? You! Oh, one of the big guys with the big tanks. Explode your friends, thank you. You can explode your friends, but you can't explode. What is it, the saying again? Oh yeah, there isn't a saying about exploding your friends. Ah! Run away! He's trying to explode me with that. Excuse me, sir. No! Put it down. Put it down. Hey, I'm talking. We can talk about this. Okay, fine. Oh, dang it. Just switched to my pistol. We've survived 7 kills, 266. Highest score ever. Yes! And with that, we are prepared for the birds of prey to come out. Harley Quinn, the lone survivor. Okay, so thumbs up if you're excited for Birds of Prey. Man, I feel like I almost blacked out there for a second. I'm either having a sugar rush from eating this entire box of nerds, or that was super intense. Okay, and who are you most excited about for the new characters? Harley Quinn, of course, but Black Canary? Amazing. Cassandra Cain? Also amazing! It's gonna be wonderful. I'm super pumped. Let me know in the comments below who you are most excited for from the Birds of Prey. Also, this is an oldie but a goodie. You wanna like make your heart pound out of your chest and just play a fun game on your phone? Go ahead and download Suicide Squad Special Ops! Thank you so much for playing with me today. I'm Cassie, your nerd friend, and I'll be here next time on Cassie is a Nerd. Hey! I just made that one up. It's probably not staying. It was just testing them out, okay guys? See you next time. Bye!